Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Tether from Exmo to crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly and securely, especially with all the updates in the crypto world. This guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, and we'll keep it straightforward so you can follow along easily. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and crypto.com, and that your Tether, USDT, is ready to withdraw. Always double check for any 2025 specific regulations or fees to avoid surprises. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet, or Funds, section and select Tether, USDT, from your available assets. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal process. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to your USDT balance. You'll need to enter the recipient address. That's your crypto.com wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to prevent any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits or network fees, which might have changed in 2025. Most likely, you'll be using the Tron or Ethereum network for USDT, so select the right one based on your crypto.com setup. Step 4. Complete the security verification. This could include two-factor authentication, 2FA, or email confirmation. Don't skip this, as it keeps your funds safe from hackers. After you confirm, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to your crypto.com app or website and check your wallet to confirm the Tether has arrived. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Tether from Exmo to crypto.com. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.